Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to show 3D viewer background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to show 3D viewer background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First, click on Start, tap here Settings, open Settings. After click on Privacy. Now click on Background Apps. Here option 3D viewer. So guys, if you want to enable or turn on, so select to on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to show 3D viewer background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.